Start by adding 100 gram of chopped dark chocolate to a bowl. Add 58 gram of butter, and if you are using unsalted, throw in a pinch of salt. Next add 12 gram of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of instant coffee. Melt this in a microwave in 15-second intervals, stirring in between so the chocolate doesn't burn. Once melted and smooth, pour in 90 grams of condensed milk. (40 ml of milk) and whisk it all together. Now sift in 45 grams of all-purpose flour and fold gently. Toss in a handful of dark chocolate chunks for that extra fudgy bite. Pour the batter into a 5-inch square baking tin lined with a reusable baking sheet. Tap it a couple of times to release any air bubbles. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 14 to 17 minutes until a skewer comes out with moist crumbs. Let them cool completely and then refrigerate for an hour if you want those perfect clean cuts. Look at that, fudgy eggless brownies made with condensed milk. If you like the recipe, give this video a like and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco for more eggless baking recipes that actually works. This is Spoiled by Coco, where eggless baking always deliver. Thank you for watching.